Lady.
We're probably going to get stopped as soon as we come inside, but let's see what happens. Huh?
I'm not serving.
You're not serving? Why not?
Yeah, well, how come you're not serving us?
I'm not. Okay.
Is there a reason?
Yes.
What's the reason?
Cameras.
So we can stop the cameras.
No. I'm not letting in.
What's the reason?
There's trolls.
Trolls?
Yes.
Oh, I know.
This is what I'm getting from.
Well, no, I'm not a troll, sorry.
Oh, so just leave. I'm not supposed to serve.
Yeah, this is great customer service. Hey, I was looking for a lady, but it's actually the guy who surprised us this time. We're not here to troll you or anything.
No, I'm done.
All right, well, have a nice one then, my friend. That's my breakfast.